like right now. Okay, it's working. All right, so this one is going to be a little bit different. Okay. We're looking at two ellipses here. So if you think about it, we could have up to 4 answers. I would not try to do this one with substitution because I would not want to try to solve for an X or a Y here. I would definitely go with elimination on this one. Either eliminate your X's or your Y's. Either one. What do you want to eliminate? Y's? Okay. So I'm going to multiply this one times -2, and I'm going to multiply this one times a +3. And I'm going to multiply everything times that -2 and +3. It's -8x squared minus 6y squared equals what, like a -96? And then that's 9, dang it, 9x squared plus 6y squared equals 105, I think. So that's x squared equals 9. Yay, nay, yay. Okay. So when I take the square root, all right, so we have to remember there are 2 numbers that can get me 9 when squared. A +3 and a -3. Right? Everybody agree that +3 and -3 can both give me 9 if I square them?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to put +3 into one of these problems, completely work it out. Then we're going to put -3 into one of these problems and completely work it out. You done? Okay, because I need to grade it as soon as possible because grades are almost due. Which one do you want to put it in?
Top.
The top? So that's 4 times 3 squared plus 3y squared equals 48. So 4 times 9, 3y squared equals 48. So right now I'm just doing, algebra to get the y by itself. So y, do you need a note? I'm going to put on this. I'm going to put Chenandler. Okay, so then when I take this square root here, I get that y is positive and -2. So there's 2 points right there because with that 3 that I put in, I got a +2 and I got a -2 with that 1 3 that I just put in there. Okay, you put in -3. And work it out from there. And I'm going to try and grade this real quick. I could have this graded so much faster if they would answer them correctly. And when I say answer them correctly, there's an answer form. If they fill it out, then I just have to go zip right down it. But when they don't, I got to flip through everything. Come on, kids, do me a favor. She get the same thing?
Yes.
Why are you whispering?
They are
She's
whispering.
bribing me to give her $1.
Oh, okay.
What? No, I'm
She's
asking.
bribing me with money to get her a water.
Okay.
She's over by the vending machines last hour, so I was thinking that she could grab one. And I'm way up here at art. I would give
Yeah.
her money, and then she could.
No, she's bribing me to get her a water.
Tomato, tomato. Potato, potato.
So you've got 4 points where they meet right there, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let me go over here to my favorite website.
Diesel.
Diesel.
This one sounds like it'd be a Mexican word for something.
Yeah, it kind of does.
Nope, you can't say anything. You know it does. I bet it does. Something. I bet it says graph in Mexican.
Or maybe Spanish because it's not actually a
Or
language called
Spanish.
Mexican.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Spanish is used in a lot more places than just Mexico.
Well, you know, we don't have Spain people from around here. Or real Spanish to English translation here.
Google Translate. Come on. That was my first feature here.
All right, so check it out. You can see here's where they're intersecting.
Actually, it's a Greek word.
What does it mean?
Bond.
Wow, okay. Weird. So you can see where they intersect and what it looks like. Oops, and there are 4 of them, just like we thought. Now, how easy would these be to solve by graphing on paper without Desmos?
Annoying.
Yeah.
Please no.
You could probably get an estimate
Yeah,
of where the points would be.
yeah, you could probably get an estimate maybe,
You
but
just would not get running.
right, right.
Unless you like draw like a perfect, like, it's not even a circle.
Not even a circle.
Yeah,
Draw a perfect oval.
Perfect egg.
perfect egg. A good egg.
A good.
Not a bad egg. Okay, so look at this one. Check this one out.
I'm a good noodle.
What? It's gonna be an oscillation.
It is?
Yeah.
I called it.
Yeah.
Okay, anything past me.
So this one would be pretty easy to just multiply times 9. And you can eliminate the y's. So you end up with what? 13x squared equals, I don't even know. What is 225 plus 36? $261. Ooh, it's ugly. It's definitely gonna be ugly. I'm gonna save us some time and some paper.
Okay, that gave me a headache because I was just thinking, I was like, where did the square go?
I didn't square it yet. I mean, I didn't take off the square root or anything yet, but we can get to the point a lot faster. Multiply this one by a -4. It is. It is. But what you need to know is just because it's not pretty doesn't mean it's no solution. It's no solution when it ends up being negative. So the x's cancel out and you're left with 13y squared equals negative 64. That's going to leave you with a negative under a radical, right? And that's imaginary. So that is a no solution. This is actually looks like a nice little ellipse right here, and then a hyperbola out here after. Kind of looks like something from Star Wars, maybe.
It's an X-Wing fighter.
So anyway, sometimes you have to multiply them out. It's not pretty. Sometimes you do. Here.
I could really mess her up by like erasing one of these
It's like
and
three
then put a
numbers.
random number in there. Is that a plus 3 or minus 3? Your pencil looking at perfectly on it.
Oh, sorry. I'm too busy eating cookies. See, there's only one cookie left, so I have to eat it because if my kids come in here, they'll fight over it. So I have to eat this cookie to stop them from fighting. It's a sacrifice I'm willing to make, but still.
She's flexing.
You can't do anything with these as they are.
Yeah, right.
They have to be multiplied out and stuff. So, like, this is.
Oh, that's gross. I wasn't talking to you. I was talking about that.
Like, really? Everyone sneezes, and at least she sneezed in her shirt. I mean, she didn't sneeze all over her tan or anything.
I would have preferred that, honestly.
I would vaguely do that.
I've been trying to. I've been doing that for a really long time. I don't have it now. When I
Trying to
sneeze.
sneeze on things.
No.
Gotta
No.
watch out there.
No. When I'm trying to be
Well, we're on recording again, so.
Yeah. Now, I will say at this point, everything's lined up. So you could, combine stuff and eliminate stuff, maybe. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. Let me finish my cookie. Is everybody caught up? So I just change all these signs. I get 2x minus 7 minus 2y minus 7 equals negative 6. Hold up, that's a plus 7. That's what I'm simplifying that to. Now, still can't really get anywhere with this. If I subtract x and say that y equals negative x plus 6, I can now take this and I can put it in here and here, and I have one variable, and I can actually try to solve an equation now. So like x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus negative x plus 6 squared minus 8 times negative x plus 6 plus 16 equals 20. I could have put in that bottom one too, but I'd already written all over the bottom one, so that's why I went with that top one. Yeah. It's definitely nothing to write home about. Let's see, x squared plus 6x plus 9. So that's going to be x squared minus 12x plus 36 plus 8x minus 48 plus 16 equals 20. 2x squared negative 6x plus 2x. 9 plus 36 is 45 minus 48 is negative 3 plus 16 is 13. But then you've got that 20.
I'll get one of these on a test. I'm just gonna skip it. The one.
This would take up.
I can't keep up with this in my head. I've already lost it.
This would take the entire class year.
You gotta admit, as much as you hate me drawing on your notes, it makes them so much more.
Oh my
interesting
word,
back
you
then.
guys. This is supposed to be 3.
I wasn't gonna say anything. I
Well,
was like,
don't not say anything.
I
Tanner,
did
you're
not.
fired.
I didn't want to be wrong.
You're fired. You can be right or you can be fired,
That's
and
why
you
I
are
was sitting
fired.
here staring at it. I was like,
Wait, so
when's that?
it changed again. It was 36 to a 9. That would make a big difference.
And then it was the
Negative
16.
48 to 24.
By the way, Tanner's not allowed in this class on Monday.
That's to be you.
You have to stand out in the hall and try to take her notes through that window.
Through the window. Better because it stands outside for a better vantage point.
Supposed to be back about 70 next week.
Whoa.
I want to stay cool. I don't want it to go hot.
I'm ready for summer.
Oh, that's gonna change. Tanner, seriously,
Oh no.
because this is not gonna be 12. If that was 3, it's gonna be 6. Tanner.
I hesitated writing everything down because I didn't want to be like right or like wrong.
I guess you should
And then
wait
write everything
until
down and erase it.
Ms. Harper works this one out. Instead of people.
I'm
writing,
9% sure that's it. So if I take out a 2, yeah, I can factor that. Tanner.
She called you out.
So then call her up.
Yeah, exactly. You know I was consumed by the cookie. That's all I cared about. Eating the cookie.
Phone number we had over.
Mm-hmm.
Meet the cookie once in a while.
All right. Now I will say I know that y is negative x plus 6. So that one should be pretty easy. A negative negative 5 plus 6 is not 6. It's 3 for the love of all that's good and holy. I swear. 8. I know nothing. This is the last problem we're doing.
And it comes up missing.
I keep hitting your foot. Okay, you got to move.
My foot is under my desk.
Well,
And you figure fox better by then.
Yeah,
You're
You're
kicked out of the
warm,
class.
Tanner's angry now.
What a dude.
What a day. I would say we'll quit while we're ahead, but I don't feel like we're ahead. Maybe we'll quit before we get further behind. Maybe that's what we should say. This is actually the last example that I had planned for today anyway. Thank heavens, right?
From the head.
Yeah, same.
No, it was a big pimple. Already popped up the last period.
Mm.
I thought you had hit your head or you'd been stung by something.
No, I'm trying to pop it last period and then it just swallowed up like.